All right, Thursday, June 14th. So yesterday we had James Slade here arrive with a tractor. Tractor is in nice working order. Today we're basically looking at either packing up the CEB press and tractor for shipping or waiting for Rosa to pick it up. That was the day with guests yesterday. Okay, let's see. James, tell us what you did yesterday and what your plan for today is.
Let's see, yesterday was kind of a good meet and greet, see all the upgrades done on the farm. Got to play with the tractor a bit, show what we've managed to pull off down south with it. Was able to spend time with most everyone here trying to get insights on how things are flowing, what could be done to make things better. Then you and I had a nice long talk last night covering a lot of this, so we can start working on making things a little more conducive. Outside that, just good family time.
Yeah. Okay, and the program for today is either...
yeah, we'll
see.
Hopefully load all this stuff up and take it to Colorado.
Okay. So.
A bunch of interviews and information sessions took up my time yesterday, but I did manage to get a simplification where welding...
Why'd you have all these interviews?
Because I was on the Toronto Star front page, and from there Associated Press and Korean News Agency called me.
How come you didn't share this sooner?
Yeah, share that with the world. That's good.
But yeah, so the major simplification was realizing that we had the swivel functionality.
So on the cold saw, yeah.
You don't need to make precision fasteners on the mounting between the shaft blocks and the swivel plate. So you could just go with a less precise welding operation because you have the ability to swivel out of your, like, the precision isn't necessary if you have swivel already designed into there, you know what I mean?
Something like that. I have to look at the drawings.
The
Where are the drawings right now?
The drawings right now are still not uploaded.
Okay.
But they'll be today, and I want to get started sourcing today.
What's the address? So
under the Wiki Cold Saw.
Wiki Cold Saw. Okay.
Yeah.
Ian.
I'm going to be continuing to film the conclusion to my documentary about open source ecology. You can check that out at yourgodmovie.com. And we'll have a new update soon on the construction, or near completion of the construction on the Hab Lab, and I'm getting some shots of the workshop today too.
We're thinking about a new title for the...
Yeah, we're going to rename the film as I review some footage and hear the words of Marchin and some of the other characters. We'll figure out something else to call it.
Marchin is God.
Good. Okay. Hey, Darren.
Hi. Yesterday I was working on schematic capture for the electronics for the end stops, and we got our parts in for the end stops, so today we're going to hook them up.
Oh, excellent. Excellent. Good. Chris.
Morning. So, yesterday we were continuing fabrication of the torch table, and we got some more insight, and we decided to pause construction for a day while we look at new ways to solve a problem of height of the torch. So one of the main purposes of the torch table is to be able to fabricate things like the LifeTrack and CEB press quickly and effectively. So the constraints are that we needed to be able to cut 6-inch square tube and 4-inch square tube on the track without removing the ribs. So anyway, we're looking at ways to optimize that and still maintain the ultra high precision that is being called for and agreed as important. So we'll let you know how that goes and fill in the status on the wiki under torch table.
Are you drawing up the whole thing, or did you get a chance to draw that up yet, or all the updates? Or
yeah, it's on the wiki. What's going to happen is it's dynamically updated. It's connected. Okay. The wiki has a link connected to my Dropbox file for the SketchUp. So as I'm updating it, you can check it out. Your best bet is to check it out at the end of the day when I'm not working on it. Otherwise, the autosave may save it while it's like zoomed in on a part, and may be hard to see what's going on.
What's the address there?
It's under torch table. You get to it easily you go to the 50 tools, you go to torch table, and it's under design on that page.
Okay. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Jose.
Hi. Yesterday we were working the torch table again, but we have a problem with the materials. we need to stop because if we continue with the material that we have, we're gonna make some shit. So I've been with Adam making a new table for working, but we also don't have
For welding
materials, so we stop it. Give some lesson also of touching, but finished by Brie. That is better than me in touching. And I think so. Today it depends on the material if they arrive or not, because I can make
Material
magic.
check, okay. I'll check some materials. Okay, hey Brianna,
I,
about yourself.
I continued working on the tables, pulled off the other table that broke. Fixed
the
that
iron
with
worker.
the help of James.
Ironworker, okay, yeah.
Yes, on the iron worker. And finished those up pretty much. I need to do one more weld, but I'll reinstall those pretty soon. Check, do some big cuts, see if it'll do 1x6 like I promised. If not, we'll have to reevaluate. I think I might need to get some bigger Acme threads. Other thing I did was go pick up some mattresses and blow out the tire on Martin's truck.
Okay. All right. Aaron,
Yes.
tell us. What'd you do yesterday?
Yesterday, we arrived, my first time to the factory farm, and I walk in and I'm seeing what all you guys are working on. I'm very impressed. And I helped out, chipped in a little bit with other people's projects, and then I brought one of the power cubes up to my wiring specs and diagnosed another power cube, and we had a wonderful dinner yesterday evening. Thing went well.
Okay. We'll see how the plans turn out for today on the shipping. Okay, Aiden.
Yesterday I learned how to torch. I had
Excellent.
3 awesome instructors, Brianna, Aaron, and Jose. So I'm going to start working on the table that I want to build, a welding table. Got to find some materials for that. Don't think I have everything. Yesterday I spent a lot of time going to the seamstress. Tire blew out, so that took a while. So not much else. Today's
Fabulous dinner.
Oh yeah. Today focusing on getting this welding table together.
Good. Okay, that's about everybody. Thanks.
What about you, Martin?
What did you do?
Me? I didn't do much. What did I do yesterday?
I interviewed you.
I had some interviews with this guy.
We had a great interview for about an hour.
And then talked all day. Didn't do much. It was great. All right. Thanks.